Welcome to PlayOwnAi. In today's episode, we're diving deep into the future of multi-agent programming. We're building an AI financial researcher powered by SerperDevTool plus web search, running across multiple LLMs, all inside a powerful CrewAi tools workflow. With CrewAi, you can easily switch LLMs, adjust agent types, or redesign your entire workflow, and everything still works seamlessly. Just run the code and watch the magic happen. And once it's done, jump into the outputs directory. You'll find structured results, research insights, final report, and more. By the way, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more advanced AI content. Our code editor search, CrewAi install documentation. Follow the instructions to install CrewAi in your system. Installation instructions. Copy and paste our terminal. On the terminal, run CrewAi create crew financial _ researcher. When prompted, choose 1, then later choose 6, and type skip for the rest until the setup completes. Now let's open our financial researcher project in CrewAi. Environment variables. First, we need to set up our API keys. Create a file named .env in the project root and add API _ key equals your _ key. Serper _ API _ key equals your _ Serper _ key. OpenAI _ API _ key equals your _ OpenAI _ key. Anthropic _ API _ key equals your _ Anthropic _ key. Save the file. Your keys are now ready to use. Configure agents. Open src/financial _ researcher/config/ agents.yaml. Here's the researcher agent. Role: Senior Financial Researcher. Goal: research the selected company in depth. Backstory: adds context and improves performance. LLM: running on Ollama's Llama 3.2. Fast and free. Company: this placeholder will be injected dynamically. Next is the Analyst agent. Uses DeepSeek R1 for reasoning and report writing. You can switch models anytime. OpenAI, Claude, Gemini. Just uncomment the one you want. CrewAi's flexibility lets you test different LLMs for different tasks. Research task. Open config/tasks.yaml. In the research task, description defines exactly what the agent should research. Expected output controls structure and clarity. Agent binds the task to the researcher. Output file saves results automatically. The analysis task receives context from the research task. Uses the analyst agent with DeepSeek R1. Saves a professional final report with executive summary. Analysis and conclusions. Part 1. Import and setup. Now let's write the main code. Open src/financial _ researcher/main.py. First, our imports. These imports give us core CrewAi functionality, project structure decorators, type hints for better code. It imports the financial researcher crew and prepares the inputs. In this case, the company name like Meta or Saudi Aramco and the current year. When we run the script, CrewAi kicks off all agents and tasks automatically. The researcher gathers data. The analyst processes it, and the system generates a complete financial report. After execution, the final report is printed in the terminal, and a full markdown version is saved to output/report.md. That's it. Our entire financial research workflow now runs from a single command. Part 2. Define crew class. Now let's define our crew class. Crew.py. The analyst agent. Notice the analyst doesn't need tools. It works with data from the researcher. Part 3. Define tasks. Now the tasks. A task decorator registers this as a task. Config. Loads from tasks.yaml. Output_file. Saves research to a markdown file. This will automatically receive data from research_task because we set it in the context. Part 4. Create the crew. Finally, let's assemble the crew. At crew decorator defines this as the main crew. Agents equals self. Agents. Automatically includes all agents we defined. Tasks equals self. Tasks. Automatically includes all tasks. Process equals process. Sequential. Tasks run one after another. Research. Then analysis. Verbose equals true. We see everything happening in real time. That's the complete implementation. Notice how clean this is. CrewAi handles all the complexity behind the scenes. Step 1. Run the crew. Let's run our financial researcher. In your terminal, make sure you're in the project directory. Then run cd financial_researcher. UV add CrewAi, Google Geni, CrewAi, Anthropic, Llama, CrewAi run. It will prompt you for a company name. Let's try Tesla or any company name. Press enter and watch the magic happen. SerperDevTool deep dive. We can report some time, not real time or current. Talk about what makes SerperDevTool so powerful and real time. Search or directly access serperpi.com and create a free account. Get your API key from serperpi.com dashboard. Then set it in your environment variables. Serper_API_key. Update your .env file in the project root directory. This tool is designed to perform a semantic search for a specified query from a text's content. Across the internet. API to fetch and display the most relevant search results based on the query provided by the user. More details visit docs. CrewAi tools search research SerperDevTool. Other CrewAi tools you can use. CrewAi has many built-in tools. File read tool. Read and process local files. Website search tool. Search specific websites for information. PDF search tool. Extract information from PDF documents. Code interpreter tool. Execute Python code for calculations. YouTube channel search tool. Search YouTube for relevant videos. Custom tools. You can even create your own tools. In crew.py just add. From CrewAi_tools import SerperDevTool. Tools section. Tools equals SerperDevTool. Let's run the crew again. Check data more recent and in real time. After execution, the final report is printed in the terminal, and a full markdown version is saved to output/report.md and research.md. That's it. Our entire financial research workflow now runs from a single command. Advanced features. Using multiple LLMs. One of CrewAi's best features is mixing LLMs. Why use different models? For research. Llama 3.2. Fast and efficient. Good at information gathering. Free local processing. For analysis. DeepSeek R1. Excellent reasoning. Strong analytical capabilities. Great report writing. For complex tasks. GPT-4 or Claude. Highest quality output. Better at nuanced understanding. Use selectively to control costs. Strategy. Use free local models for heavy lifting. cloud models for critical tasks. What you learned today. Let's recap what we built. 2-agent AI system for financial research. SerperDevTool integration for real-time web search. Multiple LLM configuration. Ollama plus optional cloud. Automated research and report generation. Professional markdown output. Sequential task processing. Completely customizable architecture. You now have a production-ready financial research system. Support line. Get assist. Stuck anywhere, or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. Just follow the link in the description. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel, @PlayOwnAi. Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply and I'm happy to assist. Thanks for watching. If you found even a bit of value, please subscribe and hit the bell, so you don't miss my next AI automation guide. Your feedback helps me create the most useful content possible. So, what's on your mind? Tell me what you're struggling with in comments. I might just build a full tutorial on it for you. We release new videos every week. Let's build smarter together with PlayOwnAi Playground. Our mission is simple and ambitious to help millions of people adapt to the AI revolution with clarity and confidence.